डेयर एस्पेरेंट अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ई सीरीज़ प्रिपरेशन में कंप्यूटर साइंस के टॉपिक बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस के पार्ट 3 में हम आपको वेलकम करते हैं। स्क्रीन पर दी हुई तमाम जॉब्स के टेस्ट की तैयारी और इंटरव्यू के लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अहम है। डेयर एस्पेरेंट, हम ऐसे सवालात को चुन चुन कर यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं जो हमने CS के सिलेबस, मुख्तलिफ साबका इम्तिहान के पेपर्स और मुख्तलिफ मशहूर वेबसाइट से इकट्ठे किए गए हैं, जो कि इम्तिहानी नुक्ते नज़र से बहुत ज़्यादा अहम हैं। ऐसे लोग जिनके पास कोई मटीरियल नहीं है, वो अगर एक बार ये वीडियो देख लेंगे तो उनके जहन में ये सवालात बैठ जाएंगे। लिहाजा एक दफ़ा पूरी वीडियो से सुनने और देखने से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो सकता है। इस वीडियो के मुतल्लिक़ एक क्वेश्चन पेपर भी बनाया है जिसको हल करके आप ख़ुद की सेल्फ एवेल्यूशन भी कर सकते हैं। नाउ वी स्टार्ट question number 1 part 3. Which of the following language is more suited to a structure program? Option A PL, option B Fortran, option C Basic, option D Pascal. The correct answer is D, which is Pascal. Question 2. A computer associated method for recording and analyzing existing or hypothetical system is data transmission, data flow, data capture, data processing. The correct answer is B, which is data flow. Question 3. The brain of any computer system is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Option B, memory. Option C, CPU, stand for central processing unit. D, control unit. The correct answer is C, which is central processing unit. Question 4. What difference does the fifth generation computer have from other generation computer? Option A, technical advancement. Option B, scientific code. Option C, object oriented programming. Option D, all. The correct answer is A, technical advancement. Question 5. Which of the following language is used for artificial intelligence? Fortran, Prolog, Cobol, या C? The correct answer is Prolog, which is B. Prolog is a general purpose logic programming language associated with artificial intelligence and computational linguistics. Question 6. The track on disk which can be accessed without repositioning the read-write head is 78. Option A, surface. Option B, cylinder. Option C, cluster. Option D, all. The correct answer is B, which is cylinder. Question 7. Which of the following is the first complement of 10? Option A 0 1, option B 110 110, option C 1 1, option D 1 0. The correct answer is A, which is 0 1. Question 8. A section of code to which control is transferred when a processor is interpreted is known as option A AM, option B SVC, option C IP, option D MDR. The correct answer is A, which is M. Question 9. Which part interpret program instructions into initial control operation? Option A input, option B store unit, option C logic unit, option D control unit. The correct answer is D, which is control unit. Question 10. The brain system use power of option A 2, option B 10, option C 8, option D 16. The correct answer is A, which is 2. Question 11. A computer program that convert assembly language to machine language is called compiler, interpreter, assembler, computator. The correct answer is C, which is assembler. Question 12. The time required for the fetching and execution of one simple machine instruction is called delay time, CPU cycle, real time, seek time. The correct answer is B, which is CPU cycle. Question number 13. The time for which a piece of equipment operates is called Option A, seek time. Option B, effective time. Option C, access time. Option D, real time. The correct answer is B, which is effective time. Question number 14. The binary number need more places for counting because option A, they are always big number. Option B, any number of ones can be added in front of them. Option C, binary base is very small. Option D, ones and zero have to be properly spaced apart. The correct answer is C, which is binary base is small. Question 15. Which access method is used for obtaining a record from a cassette tape? Direct, sequential, random, all. The correct answer is B, which is sequential. Question number 16. Any type of storage that is used for holding information between steps in its processing is CPU, primary storage, intermediate storage, internal storage. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, but the correct answer is C, which is intermediate storage. Question number 17. The random of a number system, option A is variable, option B has nothing to do with digit, positive value, position value, C equal the number of its distant counting digit, D is always an even number. The correct answer is C equals the number of its distinct counting the digits. Question 18. The selection of CPU that select interprets and sees the execution of program instructions. Option A, memory. Option B, register unit. Option C, control unit. Option D, ALU. The correct answer is control unit. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Question 19. Which type of system puts the user in direct conversation with the computer through a keyboard? Option A, real-time processing. Option B, interactive computer. Option C, batch processing. Option D, time sharing. The correct answer is B, interactive computer. Question 20. The term referring to the evacuating the content of some part of the machine is known as dump, enhancement, down, compiler. The correct answer is dump. Question 21. A single packet on data link is known as path, frame, block, or group. The correct answer is B, which is frame. Question 22. The process of communicating with a file from a terminal is called interactive, interrogation, heuristic, all of them. The correct answer is B, which is interrogation. Question number 23. A common boundary between two systems is called introduction, interface, surface, none of them. The correct answer is B, interface. Question number 24. The examination and changing of signal bits or small group of hits within a word is called bit, byte, bit manipulation, bit slice. The correct answer is C, bit manipulation. Question number 25. Which computer has been designed to be as a compact as possible? Option A, mini. B, supercomputer. C, microcomputer. D, microframe. The correct answer is C, microcomputer. Question 26. Which method is used to connect a remote computer? Option A, device. B, dial-up. C, diagnostic. D, logic circuit. The correct answer is B, dial-up. Question number 27. How many bit code is used by Mary code for teleprinter machine? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 980. Option D, 25. The correct answer is B, which is 5. Question 28. The symbol used in assembly language are code, numerics, assembler, all. The correct answer is numerics. Question 29. The second complement of a binary number is obtained by adding to its first complement. Option A, 0, B, 1, C, 10, D 12. The correct answer is 1. A system programming language for microcomputer in the Intel family is option A PCL/C, PCL/CT, PCL/M, PLA. The correct answer is C, which is PL/M. Question 31. A datum that indicate some important state in the content of input or output is option A sequence, option B sentinel, option C SIO, option D spilling. The correct answer is B sentinel. Question 32. Which is the non-standard version of the computer language? Option A Prolog, option B APL, option C Army, option D PLI. The correct answer is C, which is Army. Which of the following is still useful for adding number? EDSAC, option B ENIAC, option D C abscisscas, D UNIVAC. The correct answer is abscisscas. Question 34. The microcomputer Intel MCS 80 is based on widely used Intel. Option A 8080 microprocessor, option B 8085 microprocessor, option C 8086 microprocessor, option D 8082 microprocessor. The correct answer is A, which is 8080 microprocessor. Question number 35. Which is a machine oriented high level language for GEC 4080 series machine? Option A logic, option B SNOBOL, C Babbage, D alcohol. The correct answer is Babbage. Question number 36. A program that is employed in the development, repair and enhancement of other program is known as system software, system tool, application software, utility program. The correct answer is software tool. Question number 37. Any storage device added to a computer beyond immediately usable main storage is known as floppy disk, hard disk, backing store, punched card. The correct answer is backing store. 38. Question number 38. Which device is used for translating information from computer to into pictorial form on paper? Correct answer is mouse, plotter, touch panel, card punch. The correct answer is plotter. The average time necessary for correct sector of a disk to arrive the read-write head is downtime, seek time, rotational delay, access time. The correct answer is C. Question number 14. A number that is used to control the form of another number is known as map, mask, marker. The correct answer is B mask. Question number 41. A general purpose single user microcomputer designed to be operated by one person at a time is special purpose computer, KIPS, M, PC. The correct answer is PC. ASCII stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. B option all purposes scientific code for information interchange. C American Security Code for Information Interchange. D American Scientific Code for Information Interchange. The correct answer is A, which is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question 42. Which device of computer operation dispense with the use of the keyboard? Joystick, light pen, mouse, touch. The correct answer is, dear aspirant, Please solve this question on your knowledge behalf of your knowledge, and write its answer in description. Question number 43. A name applied by Intel Corporation to high speed of MOS technology is called HDLC. B option sorry can aspirant LAP, C option HMOS, D option SDLC. The correct answer is HMOS. Question 44. The name of screen clarity is called resolution, discrete, pixel, LCD. Correct answer is A, resolution. LCD stands for liquid crystal display, an input device which is used for playing computer games. Option A, light pin. Option B, scanner. Option C, joystick. Option D, LCD. The correct answer is joystick, which is C. Dear aspirant, now we will discuss here question paper about part 3. Question number 1. Which of the following is the first complement of 10? Option are 01, option B 110, option C 11, option D 10. The correct answer is A. Which type of the system puts the user into direct conversation with computer through a keyboard? Option real-time processing, interactive processing, batch processing, time-sharing processing. The correct answer is B, which is interactive computer. Question 3. Which method is used to connect a remote computer device, dial-up, diagnostic logic circuit? The correct answer is B, which is dial-up. The average time necessary for correct sector of a disk arrive to the read-write head is known as downtime, seek time, rotational delay, access time. The correct answer is C. The name of the screen clarity is resolution, discrete, pixel, LCD. The correct answer is resolution. Also we mention here answer of part 3 A, B, B, C, A. اگر آپ کو میری کوشش اچھی لگی ہے تو ویڈیو کو لائک اور شیئر کریں اور ان دوستوں کو فارورڈ کریں جن کو اس کی ضرورت ہے. ملتے ہیں دوبارہ ایک نئی ویڈیو کے ساتھ. اللہ حافظ.